This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 42 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 10, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, awning, TV, leveling jacks, DVD player, water heater, slide-out, LP detector, microwave, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is 12,552 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.